Okay, our first construction is going to be a perpendicular bisector of a segment. So we're going to draw an intersecting bisector to a segment. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a segment. So I'm going to use the straight edge of the compass. I'm just going to draw myself a nice long segment. At the beginning and end, I'm going to name my endpoints A and B. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of the compass, so where this little circle is, I'm going to take that piece and I'm going to put it on my point A. I'm going to put the hole right on top of the point itself. And then I'm going to adjust my little compass here where it slides so that it's more than half of the length of the segment. So if halfway is about here, I want my segment to be a little further than halfway. I'm going to use this inside circle here. I'm going to draw two arcs above and below the segment. So I'm just going to make a nice little swoop here at the top, and then keeping my finger there, little swoop at the bottom as well. So it's almost like it's following that circle. Keeping the same radius, so I'm not going to move this little slider here. I'm now going to take my circle and I'm going to put it now on point B. So I'm going to turn my compass. I'm now going to put the circle on point B, and I'm going to do the same thing now going the other way. And when I do that, my little markings should intersect each other. So I'm going to have to switch to the other hand here. Make a little swoop on top, bring it down to the bottom, make a little arc on the bottom now. Okay, so now I have the two places where my arcs intersect, and I'm going to make those into points. So I'm going to name the top point point X, I'm going to name the bottom point point Y, and now using my compass, using the straight edge side or like the ruler side of it, I'm going to connect point X to point Y. And once I connect those two, this right here makes a 90-degree angle. So this is a perpendicular bisector. So pause the video and give it a try.